Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to turn on two-factor authentication for your Facebook account. So let's move. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Facebook account. Just like so. Having opened up your Facebook account, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you navigate to settings and privacy. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on account center. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on password and security. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on two-factor authentication. Then at this point here, select your Facebook account. And at this point here, you'll be asked to enter your Facebook login password. So what you need to do here is to enter your login password. Having entered your login password, click on continue. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you can do here is to choose the option you want right here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to choose SMS or WhatsApp. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on next. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on your number. If you don't have your phone number added to your Facebook account before, you can use the opportunity to add a phone number right here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to simply click on my phone number right here. So having choose the phone number you want to use, next thing you need to do is to click on next. And they are going to send a code. So I'm going to simply copy the code. I'm going to click and hold down, paste the code. Then I'll click on next. Then I'm going to copy the code again. I'll click and hold down, paste this code again. So I'm going to click and hold down, paste this code. Then I'll click on continue. Then I have to head over to my mail account and check the code that was sent to me. So here we go. So I'm going to click on my Gmail. So I have the code right here. I will copy it. Then I'll go back to the Facebook page. I'll click on hold down. And then I'm going to paste the code right here and click on continue. Then you can simply come back right here, and then you will see that two-factor authentication is on right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to turn on your two-factor authentication for your Facebook account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.